design of this. It's so chic, it's so trendy, and the handle is kind of like this ropey material, but it's really easy to, you know, grab the handles just like that. Modern and so cute. I love it. You got a lot of storage space inside there. I use these for a multitude of different reasons. I actually have these in different rooms in my house. I have some in my living room where I store extra stuff, and then I have these all in my closets. I use these for socks, extra clothes, things that I don't hang up. You can use these in any room. Maybe you use these for your toy room, or you could use these in the pantry. You can use it in your office. This will match honestly any room, and it'll just clean up all of that clutter, looking nice and cute, nice and chic. I just love this. You guys, if you're looking for some more storage containers or something that's just gonna make your room look a little nicer and a little more tidy, I highly suggest these.